Hello, I'm in a 2012 Chevy Cruze, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first you open the hood, and then make sure the vehicle's turned off and cool down. You don't want to work on the system while it's hot, just because the system works under pressure, and this liquid can get to a boil, so you don't want to risk a bunch of poisonous boiling liquid shooting out onto you. But when you're ready to add, there's a max line and a minimum. So this is extremely low, so this would need some added. But you do want some air gap in here, so don't fill it all the way to the top. And I double check your owner's manual or good online source. You've got the best type of liquid for your make and model. And you also typically want to match the same type of coolant color to what's already in here. It's better not to mix and match if you can help it. But to add, then you'll just unscrew this cap, set it to the side, and then with a funnel or straight from your diluted coolant jug, just fill as needed till you're around the full mark. Screw this back on nice and tight when you're done. And then once you've done that, I would recommend starting the vehicle for a few minutes to circulate that new coolant. And then check around all your engine bay, the lines, the reservoir, the radiator under the car, see if you see any liquid forming, like in a puddle. If it's coolant, that could be an indication of an area that's got a leak that needs repaired. And all that to make sure it's not, say, water condensation versus coolant, is the coolant should have a slight coloration to it. It would have a slight sweetness smell. And you don't really want it on your skin, but so you have a glove on and feel it. It'll feel slightly slick compared to what water feels like. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.